Vou com ela, viajando Havaí, Pequim ou Istambul. Pinto um barco a vela, branco navegando, é tanto céu e mar, num beijo azul. Entre as nuvens, vem surgindo um lindo avião, pode engrenar. Basta imaginar, ele está partindo, sereno e lindo, e se a gente quiser, ele vai pousar. Isso vai jogar água? Meu Deus.
I'm playing with y'all niggas, bro. I'm playing with y'all niggas, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Snacks! Thank you for the 5 gifts, bro. I love you, my friend. You the best, bro. Nice to meet you, my friend. Thank you, bro. I love you, man. I love you, my brother. I love you. I love you, man. I love you, my brother. I love you. Nossa, mano, vai cair, mano. Ó, o Ray vai aparecer atrás dele agora, o Ray. Ó, o Ray vai aparecer atrás dele, ó. Ó, o Ray vai aparecer atrás dele agora, o Ray. Ó, o Ray vai aparecer atrás dele, ó.
That's your fuck.
Ele vai aparecer atrás do local.
Nah, I ain't lie, I ain't lie, I ain't lie, I ain't lie. I ain't lie. If this nigga dead ass light anything on fire, let it fire just cause of wet. It's crazy. That's dragging it, bro. That's dead dragging the game. Oh, stop! No, stop. That's poison. That's poison. On God. That's poison. On God. On God. No, on God. Poison. On God. No, I know. On God. Poison. On God. Poison. That's poison. No, stop. Bro, stop, nigga. That's poison. That. Bro, on God. That's poison. Chill. On God, bro. Chill, man. Huh? I didn't do the matches. Chill, bro. That's actually poison, gang. Like, chill. Chill, bro. That's actually... Nigga trying to get that shit in my eye and shit. Nigga trying to get that shit in my eye and shit. Nigga, fuck you talk about, bitch. That shit ain't poison. That shit ain't poison at all. Fuck you talk about. It's dragging it, bro.
You bitch, man. You bitch, bro. Mute o que, chat?
Chat, this nigga ain't about it, bro. This nigga ain't on it, bro. Like, this nigga John Putt fake. Shit like that, bro. Honestly. Cause I can't even fucking breathe in here, bro. Nigga, this nigga... Where the fuck he go? I'm sorry. I'm a bitch. That. Bro, stop, okay? You almost hit me. That just hit me. That, chill. Okay.
Don't make it. I'm just gonna shoot you.
Okay, alright. Chill, bro. Alright. Chill. Nah, chill. I'm gonna say, bro, can you just apologize? You dragged it. I ain't lie. I don't want to take it to that extent. We cool. We trying to win a marathon. We trying to win a marathon. We trying to win a marathon. Can we just keep saying apologize? That's not what I want to do.
Why do you apologize?
Huh? Hold on, gang. You dragged it, gang.
You wear me for...
Okay, no, I'm saying I watch you because
Man, you big walk. You wear me mad up.
No, also I watch you just because it's the simple fact that it's just like, come on, you sleep, we're boys, gang, like that. If you apologize, I'm not gonna do no. I don't want to drag it, gang.
He's not dragging, bro.
Huh?
He's not dragging, bro.
Gang, I'm not even trying to start shit with you, bro. You the one who did this shit.
Nah, I'm not trying to start shit. If you pull me again, all room, bro.
Listen, bro. Look, Ray. Listen, Ray. Can you please just say I ain't lie. I did drag it. My bad. And we're gonna sleep. Just say that, and I'm not gonna sleep. That ass.
Why you wanna test me though?
I'm not trying to test you.
Why you trying to troll me?
I'm not trying to troll you.
So why you trying to troll me?
Because it was just a funny thing. Like bro, we went me when I was the last marathon.
You know
We've been doing a marathon, gang. Just do this shit, and I'll leave you alone. I don't want to to you at all. You trying to shoot with paintball?
No.
Like, why you wanna have problems, man?
Just chill. Just go back to sleep, bro. You feel me?
So say this.
I don't need to say sorry, bro. What the fuck?
Okay, you know I say sorry to say my bad for pouring up peroxide and shooting my walls.
What?
Because I wet you when you're asleep.
Say my bad to me, pouring water on me?
Yeah, I'll say after.
I say it.
You say it first.
My bad.
Alright, bro.
I'm not gonna say.
Why you trying to shoot me, gang? Alright, that's all I had to hear, bro.
You know what I say?
No, I'm not gonna drag it.
It's cool. Don't say it.
Alright.
What shit don't happen?
Trying to shoot me and shit, gang.
Just say my bad. That's all you gotta say.
Huh?
That's all you gotta say. Say my bad.
Chill, bro. That's how I do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's the fuck I do. That's the fuck I do right there. Make a nigga say my bad. He trying to play it off like, oh, why you trying to test me? Shit like that. Make a nigga say my bad, nigga. Man, nigga, plead the fifth, nigga. Fuck you talking about. I don't gotta drag it. I don't gotta do none of that, bro. I don't gotta drag it. Blah, blah, blah. Shit like that.
Rapaziada, o time entrando tudo no Flamengo, Tron.
God. Oh my God, bro. It's like, why do you want problems with me? Oh my God. Oh. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. Yo, you good? Yo, I had to shoot his head. I want to shoot the chair. I didn't want to shoot the chair. I shoot the wrong one. I'm dead. On your side. You good? Yo. Not that. I didn't mean. I didn't mean to shoot your head though. Yo, you good? I didn't mean to shoot your head, bro. Ass. I can't shoot a chair, Dad. I can't aim a chair. I got some bad aim, shit. I didn't mean it, Dad. I didn't mean to shoot. I didn't mean to shoot it. Dad, bro, Dad. You good? I'm sorry, bro. You good? Yo, word of my mother's life. Oh,
well, Dad, I didn't mean to shoot. Dad. I didn't mean to shoot, bro.
Hold on, bro. Word to my mother.
me see. I'm not eating.
What? I dare shoot again.
You know what?
I dare shoot again.
What?
And you shoot me again? Word to everything I love, bro.
What? What are you gonna do? What?
Yeah, I'm not playing with you, gang.
What?
Yeah, I'm not playing with you, bro.
What?
And real nigga shit, give me that shit too right there.
No.
Give me that shit right there. Okay, stop playing with me, bro. That ass, gang.
I don't care.
You dash shooting paintball.
Like that shit.
Bro.
Like that shit. Look what gonna happen. Like that
Oh,
shit.
you dash shooting paintball.
Like that shit. Like that shit. Like that shit,
Dash
bro.
shooting paintball.
Like that
bro.
shit. Like that shit. Like
Like
that
that
shit.
ass, gang.
Like that shit, bro.
Like that ass, bro.
Like that shit. Like that shit.
Bro, stop, bro. That's a paintball game. That shit, that ass hurt, bro.
Alright, go back. Go back.
Oh, that ass, gang.
No, bro.
Bro, that ass, bro.
No,
Bro, that ass, gang. That's actually a paintball, bro. Put this shit down. Put this shit down. Put this shit down.
So what you gonna do? You trying to like that shit?
All this out. Let's talk. That ass talk. Put this shit down. Put this shit down.
No, you trying
Put this shit
you
down,
gonna
bro.
do shit.
Bro, come on, bro.
Alright, stop holding it, bro.
Okay,
Stop
put it
holding
down.
it, bro.
Put it down then.
Stop
bro.
holding it, bro.
Put it down then.
Stop holding it,
Put it down, bro.
Stop holding it, bro.
Put it down. Put it down.
Stop holding it, bro.
Put it down. Come on, bro.
Stop holding
Bro,
it.
come on, put this shit
No,
down, bro.
You're
This
not
shit-
taking this shit, bro.
Bro, come on. Put this shit down. Bro.
No, bro. Just put it down, bro. Just let go. Let go. Let go.
I'll put it down.
I won't shoot you. I swear. I won't shoot you.
No, I gotta put it down.
I swear. I won't shoot you. I
Put it
swear. I
down, bro.
won't
Put
shoot
it down.
you.
Put it down. That shit, that ass hurt on God, bro.
I know. I'm not trying to shoot you though, Dad, bro. I'm not trying to shoot you, bro.
Oh, so put it down.
I'm gonna put it down.
Well, I'll put it down then.
Why you trying to
bro.
hold it, bro?
I'll put it down. That shit, that ass hurt.
Why you
gang.
trying to hold it,
It's a
bro?
whole gun, gang. That ass, bro. Shit, like that. Like, put it down.
I won't shoot. I won't shoot you. I won't shoot you.
On God, bro, just put it down.
I won't shoot you,
gang.
bro.
On God, just put it down.
I won't shoot you.
Bro, just put it down.
I won't
gang.
shoot you, bro.
Gang, just put it down.
I won't
bro.
shoot you, bro.
Come on, bro. Just put it down, bro. That ass, shit, that ass.
Come on, I won't shoot you, bro. No.
Put it down, bro.
Look, I won't shoot you, bro.
That shit, that ass hurt.
I know I won't shoot you again.
On the other side, bro. That shit, that ass hurt, bro. That shit, that ass went in my head, like game. A headshot.
Nah, that's a sorry, that's a, I say sorry, bro.
So how'd you walk in?
I didn't mean to shoot you, bro.
Okay, so how'd you walk in?
So why you got firework on? Why you got firework on?
What?
Why you got firework on? If you like that shit, I'm gonna like that shit.
Oh shit.
Fire!
What the fuck?
Fuck you talking about, nigga. I'll put it back to a shell and blow it again. Put it back to a shell and blow it again.
Damn. Too crazy, bro. Too crazy. What the fuck? Oh my gosh.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
No, stop! No, dead ass. King, dead ass. King, dead ass. Chill, bro. Chill.
Why you say chill right now?
Chill.
Say chill right now.
Bro, again, listen.
Why is he chill right now?
Chill, man. That's your dead ass, bro. The whole thing out.
I don't care.
Yeah, chill,
I don't
bro.
care.
Chill, bro.
I don't care.
Chill, bro.
I don't care, bro.
Hey, chill.
You not gonna light this bitch up, bro.
Gang, chill, gang. Dead ass, gang, chill.
Yo, I'm gonna light this bitch up and stream, bro. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna light this bitch up, bro. I don't care, bro.
Gang.
I don't care, bro.
You don't want to drag it, bro. No. That ass. Bro, you don't understand. That's actually a...
I don't care, bro. I don't care, bro.
Gang, that ass. Right.
I told you I don't care, bro.
Right, that ass, gang. I just got that shit
I
done,
don't care, bro.
Gang, that ass.
I don't care, bro. I'm gonna fight this bitch, bro.
That ass, bro.
I don't care, bro.
Well, yes, bro. I'm trying to tell this nigga don't do this, bro. He's trying. That's what I'm saying, bro. Come on, bro. We just got this shit, bro.
What the fuck I do? I give a fuck, bro.
Bro, no dash, bro. Chill, gang.
Alright, take the camera away.
Huh?
I'm gonna let you take the camera away. I'm gonna let this bitch
Gang,
up.
not playing this shit, gang.
Take the camera away, bro.
Not
Take your
playing
PC
that,
away, bro.
Not playing
I'm
this
lighting
shit,
this bitch up right now.
bro. You're not lighting that shit,
I
bro.
don't care. I'm lighting this shit.
Not lighting this shit.
I'm lighting this shit.
You're not lighting this shit.
I'm lighting this shit, bro.
Bro, that ass, Ray. That ass, shit, that ass blow up, gang. So you want this shit to go on fire? You want the house to go on fire? That ass, bro.
I'm lighting this shit.
Bet you won't light it. Bet you won't.
Ready to run. Ready to run.
I bet you won't.
Ready to run. Ready to run. Get ready to run.
No,
Get
bro.
ready to run.
Huh?
I'm gonna light this bitch up.
Do not like that, bro.
Get ready to run. Come on, bro. I'm gonna light shit up, bro.
Gang, listen,
I'm gonna light shit and stream. What I'm gonna do.
no, gang, I don't give a fuck what you gonna do, bro.
I'm gonna light shit and stream.
Yeah, that's gang. Don't let the gang. You understand, gang? It's gonna start a fire.
No, you didn't start a fire. They threw it before. It's good.
Gang, you like gang.
No, bro. Just take your cam, bro. Take your cam. Take your PC. I'm gonna light shit
Try
up.
like this, bro.
I'm gonna light shit up. I don't care.
If you have enough balls to do that, word on the I'm trying to tell you, gang, your room will be on fire.
Blow my whole house up. Blow the whole house up.
Dash. I bet you won't do it. I bet you won't. I'm saying right here. I bet you won't. Bet you
Say
won't.
what? Say what?
I bet you won't. I bet you won't.
I got 36 OD though.
So I'm saying, I bet you won't. I bet you won't. No. Gang, Andrew.
Why you trying to say no right
Look
now?
how the way you got this shit, gang. Look how this way you. That's what I'm saying. I know you're not gonna do this shit.
You want me to face
No,
the PC or face the
No,
wall?
gang, listen. I know you're not gonna do it. I just know you don't, bro. I know you're not. You don't have the balls to do that, bro. That ass, you don't have the balls to do that. On guy, I bet you won't. Virtual.
God. I know, this though. If I like this shit, this stream's
nigga.
over though.
Exactly, nigga.
If I like this shit, this stream is over.
I bet you won't. I swear to God,
This shit is
bro,
OD.
You do this shit, you're not gonna be able to see me in your room.
And guess what? If I like
bet you
shit, it's gonna cook.
I bet you won't.
It's gonna cook. It's gonna cook. It's gonna cook.
I bet you won't, gang. Exactly, nigga. Get the fuck out. Pump thinking this shit. I bet you won't, gang.
I know that week of laughs and hype. Clips so fire, they'll steal your sight. From fails to wins, we got it all. Twitch Weekly, thanks for the call. See you next time, don't go away. More crazy moments on display. Subscribe, like, and stay a while. Twitch Weekly, worth your